Imagine waking up and your entire city is buried in snow. March 11th, 1888. Overnight, one of the most powerful blizzards in American history slammed into the Northeast. What started as mild rain suddenly turned into a deadly snowstorm when Arctic air from Canada collided with warm Gulf air. Within hours, New York City disappeared in a whiteout. Snow piled up as high as second-story windows. Wind gusts reached nearly 85 miles per hour. Elevated trains froze on their tracks, trapping 15,000 passengers above the streets. Telegraph lines snapped. Gas and water lines failed. Even Wall Street shut down for 3 days. By the time the storm ended, more than 400 people had died across the Northeast. But the disaster forced cities to rethink their infrastructure. Soon after, New York began building something revolutionary, an underground subway system, all because of one devastating storm.